Hey, what's going on everybody? Josh Quinones here, and here we have our clearest look yet at the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Pro or Plus or whatever you want to call it. And it is looking even more beautiful. Now, we pretty much know everything about this device from the tons of leaks and rumors that have made their way up to the surface, including some 3D renders as well, but none compared to these photos right here, giving us our clearest look yet. Now, if we look at the front here on the bigger one, you'll notice what looks like two camera sensors at the top center, and then on the smaller model, only one camera sensor. And you can also tell that these are going to be pretty much some bezel-less devices, and knowing Samsung, they always bring the best displays. Then turning to the back of the two devices, we can see the 3 camera setup on both. But on the larger version, you can notice some extra sensors that are most likely going to be used for depth sensing. But overall, the Note 10 is going to be a beautiful looking phone and an absolute beast. The Plus model will support 45-watt fast charging, which is insane, and the smaller one will only support 25-watt fast charging, which is still good, seeing how it will have a smaller battery coming at 3,500 milliamps and the Plus model coming at 4,300 milliamps. But even though the Plus model supports 45-watt fast charging, both models will only come with a 25-watt fast charger in the box, according to leaks. And these leaks are by our trusted leakster, Ice Universe. Now, when it comes to the screen resolution, the Note 10 will have Full HD Plus resolution, and the Plus model will have a Quad HD Plus resolution display. Now, when it comes to the cameras, according to the leaks, the Note 10 will have the same main camera as the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, but Samsung will add new features to it, with one of those features being a very technical one. But I'm actually okay with that because the S10 and the S10 Plus have some of the best cameras on a device right now. I love mine and I use it all the time. It never lets me down. We do know that the new S Pen will bring some cool new features as well, and I can't wait for this device to be released. We are literally about 2 weeks away from the unveiling, and I know Samsung is going to have something great in store for us. I am super excited for this phone, but you all let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think. Leave you some comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you did like it. Leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for post notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. But for now, this is Josh Quinones. Thank you all so very much for watching. I will see you all on the next one. Peace out.